Saavedra is correct?
Yes, I'm a tourist, sir.
Miss Saavedra here tells us you urinate on a fountain. Is this true?
Yeah.
But why? It's just a fountain. Verruchte Pfeffer. And do you drink too?
No, sir, no. Sir, please listen to me. I'm a tourist. I arrived this morning in Vienna. I came to Vienna to visit my boyfriend and I found out he has another girl. He was cheating on me, you know? Cheating. I was just so angry, angry. Gusto ko abulin niya ako. Gusto ko magpaliwanag siya sa akin. Sabihin niya nagkamali siya na gusto niya mag-sorry sa akin pero hindi Pero wala. Hindi niya lang ako pinansin. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi na siya magiging masaya kahit kailan. Nagmukha akong tanga. And now it's over. I came here for nothing. My heart is broken.
You must rest. You must rest, my dear. And you rest also.
Ano ba kasing pwede mangyari sa atin kapag nakasuhan tayo ng public disturbance? Alam mo, mga ganito kasi ako napapanood sa National Geographic eh. Yung mga taong, mga nakukulong sa ibang bansa tapos hindi na nakakauwi. And sometimes no one hears from them again. God, ayoko mangyari sa akin. Ikaw ba wala ka talagang pakailam? Hindi ka nag-aalala? We could be in serious trouble here. God. Ano yan? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Patingin. Ano yan?
Don't touch me.